Thutha wa guikara thero kwa ihinda, riu maabitha anene a kambuni ya Kenya Power aria marathitangirwo ungumania na makaregana na thitango icio nimarekereirio na mbondi.
Each to be admitted to a bond of Kenya shillings 2 million with one surety of similar amount. Each is alternatively admitted to a cash bail of Kenya shillings 1 million.
Mucirithania Douglas Ogoti arekereirie ekwirwo cio na bodi ya shiringi milioni 2 kana marihe mbeca baribari shiringi milioni 1 o mundu. Mucirithania akiuga ati mwena wa thitango ndunaheana itumi njiganu cia andu acio kumwo bodi.
Each to deposit travel documents in court. Each to report to the DCI office every fortnight. Each accused is directed not to approach any of the witnesses.
Mucirithania Ogoti ona kuri uguo ni arutite watho ati ekwirwo cio maneane passport ciao matikaranirie na aira cira-ini ucio matigathie wira-ini na mahurage riboti gwa borithi o thutha wa ciumia 2.
Each is restrained not to approach any of the installations of KPLC offices or any interference with the functions of the KPLC either by use of password or by any other means.
Igoti nirerutite warandi ya rugamiriri eri a kambuni ya mua iria irikanaga ni arehire transformer itakinyaniire ikiro. Eri acio kuratuika matire bururi-ini. Mwena wa thitango ugite kurekereria ekwirwo acio ni ugwati undu uria mawakiri a ekwirwo magiire kiene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jetagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.